Meaning of electronically.
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 Electronically. Electronically refers to something that is operated or controlled by means of electrical circuits, devices, or signals. The use of electronic technology allows for the transmission and processing of information at high speeds and with a high degree of accuracy. Electronic devices like computers, smartphones, and televisions have become ubiquitous in modern society, revolutionizing the way we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. The proliferation of electronic devices has created new opportunities for businesses, governments, and individuals, but also raises concerns about privacy, security, and the potential impact on human health and the environment.